Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing both the car and the phone. First, make sure your Elantra's infotainment firmware is up to date. This fixes compatibility bugs. Plug a good Apple Lightning cable into the iPhone and the USB accessory port. This establishes data, not just charging. On the iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and unlock the device. The system needs both for initial handshakes. Once done, accept any prompts on the phone and the head unit so the two devices can identify each other and start CarPlay pairing. Now you'll perform the actual pairing and configure the interface. On the Elantra display, go to Settings, then Phone or Connectivity, and choose Apple CarPlay. The unit will search for the iPhone. On the phone, accept the CarPlay connection and allow required permissions for microphone, contacts, and notifications so Siri and calls work. Once linked, customize your app layout either through the head unit or on the iPhone under Settings General CarPlay. This keeps frequently used apps front and center for safer driving. Finish by testing core functions. Ask Siri a navigation request, make a call, and play audio to confirm the car's speakers and mic are working. If CarPlay does not appear, swap to a known good Apple Lightning cable and try a different USB port. Many connection issues are cable-related. If you still have trouble, restart the phone and the car's infotainment system, then attempt pairing again. If problems persist, check for software updates for both the phone and the Elantra, or consult a dealer for firmware support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.